Hi everybody. Thank you. I just want to say thank you for Morgan for letting me come out today. I want to thank my parents for driving all the way over here. I'm very excited to talk to you guys today. Today we're talking about my journey, never let go of your dreams. We all have dreams in life, and we can all succeed. Sometimes we fail, sometimes we succeed on stuff. My story. Look how cute I was. Not today, not today. When I was,
you're still good now.
This guy's very funny, I have to say. Alright, so I was diagnosed with autism when I was 2. I knew 20 words. I should have known 200. And I started going to school when I was 2. I rode the bus when I was 3. We have angels in our lives.
What?
I didn't know how to talk when I was 3. So Paul Barson from Children's Hospital of Philadelphia taught me how to talk. Today, just talk, and there's no off button. But there was an off button at Cedar Point, and I rode a roller coaster 11 times and I lost my voice. So sometimes there is. So we talk about reading and writing, like angels. I couldn't read and write when I was in 3rd and 4th grade. And basically the school wanted to give up on me. But I always could copy from like the board, from my care, for example. I could sit down and copy the writing. Then I went to the Talk Institute. I went from a kindergarten to a 2nd grade reader, 2 years at that school. So it was really incredible to think that you have courage and perseverance to say that you can't do something, you can do it. And parents out there, just to let you know, keep fighting if there's something going on. You've got to keep fighting. Persistence, that's what I would say. Community of faith. I pray every morning, God leads me to the right people at the right time. My disability at my church, love, acceptance, and friendship. I really love making new friends. I made a lot of new friends today, which is very cool. Everybody made me smile when I came in, and I thought that was cool. It gives me a way to serve. I love serving by talking with people in different schools. Like when I go on vacation, I want to talk to more schools. My faith helps me through hard times, you know. It just reminds me that we love one another, and it's just really a great opportunity. What was hard? Staying safe. You know, you have locks in your doors. One time I was in church and I used to escape up to the service, and then they had locks. So safety was an issue growing up. Right, Dad? The church?
You're talking to these guys.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Make sure. Frustration. You know, frustration was hard. We all get frustrated, right? Who's been frustrated? We all get frustrated, right? But if we just take a deep breath or just remember to relax, we can let it go, you know? Sometimes we have to go with the flow. Reading and math was hard. You know, it was hard. Who has a hard time with reading and math? You know, we all do. We all do. It is. It's hard. But we build that confidence up every day. Making friends. You know, who likes to make a friend? We all have to make friends.
Well,
when we go out there, we should all go out there and introduce ourselves in the sensory area. And just say, hey, my name is so-and-so. So you can remember to engage in a conversation or talk to them. Make connections, network. Stuck on thoughts. Who has a lot of stuck thoughts? We have a lot of stuck thoughts in life. Hey, welcome. How are you?
Hey.
Good to see you.
sometimes we forget our quarrels for this time.
So stuck thoughts is very hard for separating or like getting dreams, ideas to come about. Concrete versus non-concrete. Heart versus love. It was hard explaining the two definitions together. What did I achieve? I'm an autism advocate, and I'm so glad you have this center. I just want to say thank you so much to Central Texas for doing this. I mean, for bringing kids in